Welcome back to Autowondr. Discover the perfect balance of innovation and style. Introducing the 2025 Honda Civic in black metallic, a vehicle that redefines compact luxury through dynamic performance and unsurpassed elegance. Prepare to improve your driving skills. The 2025 Honda Civic Black Metallic features a sleek, aerodynamic design that combines sportiness and polished luxury. The strong front grille, along with crisp LED headlights and a sculpted hood, commands attention on any route. The finely sculpted black metallic paint exudes confidence, and the 18-inch alloy wheels and strong rear spoiler complete the image of an urban sports icon. Each line and curve has been meticulously planned to enhance both aesthetics and performance, resulting in a vehicle that is as visually beautiful as it is functional. The 2025 Honda Civic offers unmatched control and safety. Honda sensing technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, ensures your safety from all angles. A multi-angle rear-view camera offers exceptional visibility, while blind spot monitoring ensures safe lane changes. The user-friendly touchscreen interface gives you easy access to real-time navigation and entertainment, allowing you to stay connected while keeping your focus on the road. The 2025 Civic combines powerful sensors and seamless control. The 2025 Honda Civic combines modern style with optimal comfort. The inside has high-quality materials such as leather-trimmed seats and a soft-touch dashboard with elegant metallic accents. The vehicle has a high-resolution 10.2-inch driver interface and a 9-inch infotainment screen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual-zone climate control and ergonomic seating make every trip pleasant and stylish. The Civic's interior transforms routine commutes into luxurious retreats, thanks to substantial room and inventive storage solutions. The 2025 Honda Civic is powered by a 1.5 liters turbocharged engine that generates 190 horsepower, up 15% from the previous model. Improved fuel efficiency means fewer trips to the pump, while the revolutionary CVT transmission provides better acceleration. The 2017 Civic's suspension and steering have been retuned, resulting in improved handling and a more responsive driving experience. Whether driving through congested city streets or cruising down the interstate, the 2025 Civic delivers exhilarating and dependable performance. The 2025 Honda Civic Black Metallic begins at $28,000 for the base model, with advanced trims and options to satisfy every driver's needs. Experience both luxury and performance without sacrificing either. There have already been reports that Honda is creating an all-electric version of the Civic to expand its EV lineup. Insiders predict the legendary small car might be electrified as early as 2026, merging the Civic's iconic design with cutting-edge electric performance. While the specifics are uncertain, this technique could transform the Civic for a new generation of drivers. The 2025 Honda Civic Black Metallic is more than just a vehicle, it represents style, innovation, and performance. With its stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance, the Civic sets a new standard for compact vehicles. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend adventurer, the 2025 Civic performs at every level. Reserve yours today and experience a car that truly redefines what it means to drive. The road is calling, and the 2025 Honda Civic is ready to lead the way.